Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. This is a brand new product to Sephora and it launched just a week or so ago and I wanted to get my hands on it right away. I did find that living in Canada there were some restrictions. I couldn't actually order it off of the Milk Makeup website the first day that it launched, but I did order it as soon as it became available on Sephora.ca. So now that I have my hands on it and I have tried it for a few days now, I am going to give you my full review on this product. This product is supposed to be a brightening and hydrating solid serum stick that evens skin tone, reduces appearance of fine lines, and revitalizes the complexion for luminous glowing skin. And I actually did a little demo for you guys right after I got out of the shower. Clean skin, haven't put anything on it yet, and this is the first product that I added to my skin, and I kind of just showed you how it applies and how much I apply. As soon as this product launched, I knew that I wanted to get my hands on it. I didn't really think too much about what it would do for my skin. I just knew that I had to have it, and for me it was the watermelon. I have been really wanting to try the Glow Recipe watermelon products, and for me it's almost impossible to get them here in Canada. So when I saw that Milk Makeup came out with a watermelon serum, I knew that I wanted to try it out. So when I purchased this product, there were only really two concerns that I had about it, and one being that I didn't want it to tug on my skin when I applied it. I know that when I'm in Sephora, I apply like the cooling water stick from Milk Makeup on my hand. It does tug at my skin, and that could be because it's dried out, but I was really hoping that this wouldn't do that. And the second concern that I had was that it would smell really strong of watermelon. So now that I've tried this product for a few days now, I can definitely speak to those concerns. The first being tugging when I apply it. As soon as I start gliding it onto my cheek, it does have a little bit of tug back, but once I get going and apply it in the circular motions, it just glides right on. I do want to mention that it does have a cooling sensation when you apply it. I'm not really sure how that works, but I think it's amazing. It feels so incredible after I've just been in a hot shower to apply that all over my face. It's also really nice for puffiness. It does take down some puffiness around my eyes, and that is the whole cooling sensation, which is so nice. I love that part about this product and I wasn't expecting it. And then the second concern was the really strong scent. I was hoping that it didn't have a strong scent of watermelon, and it definitely does not. In fact, it doesn't smell like anything, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything, which I guess is really good because it's a lot of natural ingredients and they didn't infuse an artificial scent into it, which is good if it's a skincare product. I just wish that it had a little bit more of a scent, kind of like watermelon. I get that watermelon is in here and it's a watermelon color, but it would be nice to kind of have a little bit of that watermelon scent that isn't too overpowering. So now that I've addressed the concerns that I had about this product, I'm going to talk about the benefits of this product and what I really like about it. So first of all, I love the cooling sensation, and I love the fact that it's in this packaging. It's really easy to apply, and I can apply as much as I like, and I don't have to touch it with my fingers. A lot of people say that they will apply it and then push it into their skin, but I just let it soak in itself. I did notice that it is a little bit tacky once I apply it to the skin, but once I wait it out and let it soak in, it does really have a nice glow and it looks really nice. Also, I want to mention that I use this first before anything else, and so I will go over top with a moisturizer, my eye cream, and a spray. And I found that using this as a base has really helped my skin, and as you can see in the demo, my skin looks very, very glowy compared to before using it. And I guess that's the brightening and hydrating part of this stick. I'm not really sure what else to mention other than the fact that some people may think this is a gimmick product. I haven't seen a lot of results, but I do really like the way it feels on my skin. I have really sensitive skin and it hasn't irritated me at all. There's really no other complaints that I have about this. I think that it's a great product if you guys want to try something new in your skincare routine. For me, I love trying out new skincare products, especially something as innovative as these Milk Makeup sticks. I think that they're so fun to add into my skincare routine. And yeah, I think that that's everything for this video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Currently, as I'm filming this video, this product is still available on Sephora.ca, and I believe it's still available on Milk Makeup as well, so definitely get your hands on this. The Sephora VIB sale is coming up very soon, so maybe even wait a little bit to get it, and then that way you get a discount. I believe Beauty Insiders get 10%, VIB and VIB Rouge get 15, so it's just a little extra something if you're thinking of getting this product. It's not in stores yet. I think it arrives on April 20th, but if you guys want to get your hands on it, definitely order online. So those are all the points that I wanted to hit on this product. I am going to continue to use this in my skincare routine. So I hope that this video was kind of helpful for you guys if you guys wanted to get this. And if you guys have any questions about it, leave them down below because I'd be happy to answer them for you. And that's pretty much it. I think that I'm going to wrap this up. I just wanted to keep it short and simple and to the point for you guys so that you guys can make a decision if you guys want to get this product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!